That's kind of cool. Although I'm glad we're not under it.
What do you think that is?
Water spout. They're like tornadoes, but over water, I think.
Arashi Beach is just as busy above the water as it is below. The expansive 1,500-foot coastline forms a very shallow pocket that provides a bit of protection from the currents, which in turn means there is a lot of pristine white sand. There are also quite a few fixed beach umbrellas and canopies, making this a terrific site for all sorts of beach activity. The coastline forms Arashi Bay, where the reef is located. Arashi Beach is listed on many shore diving lists, but it is also very popular from boats as well. Probably for all the rays, turtles, and octopus, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we get to the site logistics, we have a small request. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it. Please consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, or add a comment. Our goal is to reach at least 1,000 subscribers so we can earn a bit of money to defray costs. Thanks! Oh, and tell your friends. Arashi Beach is on the northwest coast of Aruba and is one of the easier sites to find. Take L.G. Smith Boulevard just about as far north as it goes. After you pass Route 2, continue for about 3/4 of a mile. There are actually two distinct areas of parking. The first is a very nice paved parking lot just in front of the Arashi Beach Shack, which, by the way, is a terrific place to spend a surface interval. It's a longer walk to the water, likely through groups of people, but the pavement provides a clean place to manage your gear. The second parking area is along a dirt road just beyond the paved parking lot. The entrance has sloping stone walls on either side. That option provides a shorter walk to the water, so we went in there. There is a low cement wall in some places, but it doesn't extend the full length of the parking road, so you may have to use your car to set up your equipment. There are no designated areas for entry. You can enter wherever you like. That said, the beach is a bit steep in most areas and the sand is quite soft, so you may sink in a bit. This can be jarring on the way to the water and a bit of a thigh workout on the way back. Getting to the reef takes some commitment and energy. It's between 1,000 and 1,200 feet from the shore, so depending on the waves, current, and your effort, the surface swim could take 15 minutes or more. Given the initial shallow depth and very flat slope, the waves can stir up sand, making visibility near the start of the reef a bit challenging. Generally, the reef sits at 255 degrees southwest, and the shore is 75 degrees northeast, although your compass headings may deviate based on where you parked and where you drop down on the reef. We found the best way to navigate is to mark a compass heading perpendicular from your entry point and take note of any prominent coral heads, rocks, wreckage, or other environmental structures once you drop down. Also note that Arashi Beach is not a particularly deep dive. Our shore dives averaged just over 30 feet and boat dives were around 45 feet. Of course Arashi has fish, but it's the other animals that make this such a popular site. We saw the largest stingray we've ever seen here. Check out Leslie at the top for scale. There are also lots of turtles and octopus. Be sure to look out for their shell and coral-covered dens. From time to time, you will also come across various pieces of wreckage, usually from ships, but some obvious plane parts as well. Check them out as they provide great living and hiding spaces. Northern Aruba's underwater landscape makes it ideal for grazing turtles, hunting octopus, and foraging rays. So let's start the sea life clips with the main attractions. I can't pass up an underwater night dive, but Arashi doesn't seem to be quite as popular as the other sites after dark, so we made special arrangements. Here is what we saw, and hope it inspires you to go out and see for yourself.